Every iPhone begins its journey right here, buried in the earth. From raw earth to one of the most advanced factories on the planet. A block of solid metal, carved down to a fraction of a millimeter.
Inside, a chip more powerful than computers from a decade ago. Then comes the moment it truly comes alive. A lens smaller than a coin, built to capture every memory you'll ever take. It takes hundreds of precise hands to bring one phone together.
Before it earns your trust, it has to survive being destroyed. Sealed, boxed, and sent on a journey across the world. From a block of raw metal to the phone in your hand. This is how it's made. It starts as a solid block of aerospace-grade aluminum. A diamond-tipped cutting head begins carving it into shape. Coolant keeps the metal cool as it's shaped at high speed. Dozens of these machines run around the clock. Every cut is precise to a fraction of a millimeter. Workers double-check every frame against exact specifications. Slowly, the block starts to look like a phone. The raw frame is ready for the next stage.
Next, robotic arms polish every edge to a mirror finish.
The frames are dipped into an anodizing bath. Every iPhone frame is checked to match the exact same shade. A pick-and-place machine mounts hundreds of components in seconds. Solder paste bonds each chip to the circuit board. Every iPhone board follows the exact same automated path. The board passes through a reflow oven to lock everything in place.
Thousands of logic boards are completed every hour.
Every iPhone battery is tested before it even reaches the line. A single connector links the battery to the logic board. The OLED display is one of the most delicate parts of the phone. Robotic arms align it with pixel-perfect precision. A lamination press permanently bonds the glass to the screen. Every single pixel is tested before it moves on. Even a speck of dust can cause it to be rejected. Only a perfect display makes it to the next station. The camera system is built from components smaller than a grain of rice. Each lens element is stacked with microscopic precision. Every module is tested for sharpness before it leaves this station. Autofocus and stabilization are calibrated individually. This tiny module is what captures every photo you'll ever take on this phone.
Now everything comes together: frame, board, and battery.
The display is carefully connected and sealed into place. Automated screwdrivers tighten each screw to the exact torque. The camera module is inserted and locked in. What was just parts a minute ago is now a phone. This is the moment the phone gets its operating system. Dozens of units are set up at the same time. Every sensor, button, and port is tested automatically. Any unit that fails even one test is pulled from the line. And there it is, the first time this phone ever turns on. Before it ships, every design goes through brutal testing.
This one is tested for water resistance.
The camera is tested in dozens of lighting conditions. Only a phone that passes every test moves on to packaging. The finished phone is wrapped in a protective film. It's placed into the box it will travel the world in. The box is sealed, labeled, and ready to ship. From here, it's on its way to a store near you. From a block of aluminum to a phone in your hand, that's how it's made.